Welcome back for the grand finale, part 3 of our Prague tour. We are now climbing the historic stairs toward the Prague Castle, the largest ancient castle complex in the world. From here, the entire city is at your feet. You can see the spires of the old town and the Charles Bridge crossing the Vltava just as we did earlier. Entering the main courtyard, we are met by the majestic St. Vitus Cathedral, a spiritual symbol of the Czech state that took nearly 600 years to complete. The level of detail is staggering, from the stone-carved gargoyles to the massive rose window that dominates the western entrance. If you like this content, please help us by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell so you can be notified when we upload additional content. We'll conclude our walk in the Golden Lane, where alchemists and artisans once lived in these tiny, vibrant dwellings. Prague is truly a city that captures the heart. Thank you for joining us on this journey through its historic streets. If you like this content, please help us by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell so you can be notified when we upload additional content.